This is a final video to fix Apple Cash restrictions and get your payments working on iPhone again. Are you struggling with Apple Cash not letting you send or receive money? This usually happens when Apple flags your account for security reasons or pending verification, which blocks payments temporarily. Many guides online are long, confusing, and full of steps that don't actually work, leaving you frustrated. On Rexish, I'll show you a simple trick that clears the restriction fast without wasting hours. All you need is a few taps in your settings and a quick verification that Apple trusts your account again. Follow this method, and your Apple Cash will be fully functional in minutes. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, drop a comment, and I'll guide you through every single step to restore payments safely and easily.